So guys, so I am getting ready to head out. I told you guys earlier that I'm going to a place that does games night. I know I haven't posted this vlog yet, but last week Thursday we found this cute bar. Well, I think it's fairly new, this bar slash lounge, and they said on Thursday, well, they posted on their Instagram on Thursdays, every Thursdays they play games night. So we took it, I mean, you always see that vlog, but basically the place wasn't open last week. So now we called earlier today. The person, the girl, or whoever answered the phone, they say yes, they'll be open today. I am getting ready right now, but before I leave out, I will be calling again just to double check if they're still gonna be open again today. Like last week, y'all disappointed me. Like y'all didn't post on your social media, hey, you know, my business will be closed today. Nothing, no updates on social media. So of course you would have thought that, hey, we're open. But yeah, there was no updates at all. There was no, I'm gonna actually put in my clippings, y'all, because my hair, I don't want to flat iron it or anything like that, because I'm gonna start my hair probably tomorrow. So yeah, so before I leave out, I'm gonna call again to find out, hey, are you guys open? And if they're not open, then more than likely probably gonna end up at Janga's. But we did go somewhere new that I always wanted to go last week, so y'all will probably see that vlog on Monday. What I realized is that when I post my vlogs on Sundays, like I don't think it does very good on Sundays, you know? So I just came up with, what's this? What is my roll on? So I just came up with the whole thing. It's better to just post in the week. And I realized when I do post Monday afternoon, Monday night, my videos tend to do a little bit better then. But I do have a question for y'all, but let me just part my hair and then I'll start this convo, because I really have a question. And this question is for people who, you know, are social media content creators, mostly for persons who post on YouTube. This is actually for YouTubers. Question, and this is for, like I said, my content creators who post on YouTube. How do you guys feel about your channel? Like, do you guys feel like your channel is like growing? Because I have been on YouTube now, I think it's going on to 3 years, and I can tell you the first video that I posted was a cooking video, because in my mind, because back then, like I was cooking like crazy. I was cooking like every day back to back, and I'm like, I can do this. I can definitely do cooking videos. So that was my first ever video posting on YouTube, and that was like a French fried chicken video. And then, you know, as time passed, I started doing, hey, you know what, let me focus on showing Jamaica more, because back then, or probably 2-3 years ago, this is pre-COVID, I was going out like probably every 2 to 3 weeks. I was going to a river, somewhere like brand new. I was going to Portland often, going to somewhere new. And I'm like, you know, this can definitely become, you know, something else, like a different niche, basically. Because I go out, like, I love nature. I am such a nature girl. So, you know, I go to different rivers and beaches, and I'm like, this could do. So I moved from cooking videos to say, okay, I am going to be showing my island more. I'm going to be showing Jamaica more. And then, you know, then the hotels thing came in. I'm like, you know what, I can focus on hotel reviews. And then I moved from hotel reviews, and now currently I am like doing mostly vlogs, you know. So just to say, what I'm trying to like say is, I don't really have a niche. And I know my hair probably like look like it not gonna blend in, but we're gonna catch it up. We're not letting it out tonight, because I don't want to flat ironing. Anyways, what was I lost my train of thoughts. So yeah, what was I saying is like, you know, hold on. Yeah, so what I was saying is like, you know, I never really stuck to any one thing or any one niche at the college. And I know like you guys have seen this stuff on YouTube, or probably back then, like, hey, find your niche, stick to one niche and blah blah blah. But honestly, that never worked for me, because I'm just being me, you know. I don't go to very new places every weekend. I don't go to hotels every month or etc. So I believe that if you know, if you want to make something from YouTube, then to really stick to one niche that is costly, it definitely will work out in the end, because you're probably only going to be posting one video every month or every few months. And how is that sustainable? Of course, you have to like what you're doing to video and then even edit, but I mean, you would definitely want to see back some returns than that is making money. So you posting one video 1 month or twice for the month, you're definitely not going to be able to grow much or even make money. So what I'm trying to basically say is I just don't stick to one niche. And I don't know if that's probably like affecting my channel, because I think, like I said, it's been what, 3 years now? I don't remember, y'all, honestly. And before I started this video, like, I didn't even check, because I just didn't know what I was going to talk about. I was just going to make this video, you know, just some B-roll and then put on my clothes. But I mean, I just think, yeah, this is something that I need to get off my chest, because I don't think my channel is growing how it should. And then again, maybe it is me, you know, it could be me and my personality, or, you know, I mean, there is something for everybody. Yo, I am getting hot and this air is on. That's probably because I'm in the bathroom. Yeah, so yeah, maybe it's just me. I don't think, you know, I think my videos are fairly okay. I definitely need to do better and all of that, but I think my videos are pretty okay. And I try to be a little bit creative when I'm editing, the type of music that I use and all of that. So I don't know, I just don't think I am growing how I should. And I don't know what it is. I really hope I figure it out soon. I don't know if, like, I tend to, like I said, I'm posting different stuff. So, you know, the so-called YouTube algorithm and all of that, you know, it's, I don't know. But I'm not giving up, because I still like what I do. But yeah, I think I really need to figure it out, because I definitely, you know, I want to grow. I want to do other stuff. I want to make a little coin on this. So man, I can go on a trip every 3 months. Like, you know, this secondary money can, you know, put towards something. But yeah, so all the small YouTubers out there and the person who subscribe and watch my channel, love y'all. Like, how do you feel? How do you think your channel is growing? Like, tell me what do you think? Do you think that you could do better, or do you think, you know, YouTube is just not, oh wait, I'm doing something wrong, I didn't part this. Or do you think YouTube can do more in pushing out your videos, or do you think you can enhance your videos more to make it more appealing? Like, how do you guys feel like you're putting all of this work in and it's just the numbers of views is so low? Like, guys, I think my last video only got 60 something views or 100 views, like, and I have almost 2K. I'm at 1,905 subscribers now, yay. And you know, this is the point I'm getting at. I have been watching my subscribers count for 2 weeks now, and it keeps dropping from 1904 to 1905. Like, somebody keep, I guess, unsubscribing, and then the person keeps subscribing, or somebody new came to my channel. And literally, I've been watching it for 2 weeks, and my numbers haven't moved past 1,905. So you see, that's what I'm saying. It's pretty weird. And between that 2 weeks, I did like post a video. No, it's more than 2 weeks. I'm lying. It's probably over 3 weeks now that I have been stuck at this number. So, you know, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know what's happening, but how do you guys like feel about that? Just drop a comment down below. And I said this is for persons who, you know, create content on YouTube. This is for YouTube specifically. I'm not really talking about TikTok, because one thing with TikTok, like, you do follow some trendy stuff and bam, you are, you know, you are there. Or you tell some story or make up some story and bam, you got a lot of audience. Like, we ain't for the fake over here. But yeah, drop a comment down below and just, you know, let me know what y'all think, because I don't know. But I'm still definitely not giving up. Definitely not giving up at all. I definitely want to grow and do better. So hopefully that comes to light soon, you know. But anyways, enough of the chit chat. I'm gonna finish my hair, then we need to figure out an outfit. My toes ain't done, so more than likely I'm gonna wear sneakers. Well, I did give myself a pedicure last week and polish it with some clear polish, so I don't know. We see what the vibe is like when I figure out what I'm gonna wear. But definitely comfy clothes. Definitely comfy clothes. Y'all, I started using a new product on my face just to moisturize and look at my, I'm not sure if you guys see my face, but there's a lot of fine bulbs coming up and all of that. I'm like, every time, I don't know, my skin is so sensitive. And by the way, I have eczema. My skin is like really sensitive. It's hard to find products that work for me. Over the years, I have used a lot of products, y'all. Lots of products, and each time I use it, when it comes on to day 2, after day 2, when I use that new product, my face just starts to get, it just, a lot of fine bumps, and it just kind of, my face starting to look old. I don't know, it's just weird. So with that being said, like, I don't have a skincare routine. I just use a Cetaphil facial wash, and then I use my hydrocortisone cream that I get from the pharmacy to moisturize. That's it. That's how I've been, you know, that's my skincare routine. Literally, I don't use other products. I don't use toner. I don't use serum, like none of that, right? And I realized, you know, by getting older and all of these years, I only just wash my face and moisturize it with my cream. Like, I think my face is getting a lot of blackheads, a lot of whiteheads and all of that. So I definitely need to purge my skin and take care of it. So I did order some products on Amazon. I'm gonna test it out. Honestly, I know that shit's not gonna work. When I am Carnival this year, I did get some, what's this called again? Some products at Aerontons or Ariantons. Aerontons. This is like a local brand. I did get facial wash, toner, and moisturizer, and I used that for like 3 days, and then my skin started to act up with, you know, the small bumps. I was like, come on. So I'm gonna try these products on Amazon when they come, but I know for sure it, you know, I can't say I know for sure. I don't know for sure it's gonna work. I'm hoping it will, because like I said, the white, my nose, the inner corner here, the T-zone, the whiteheads, they are crazy. I know I probably need to go to a professional to get like, for them to like cleanse my face and take out that extra whitehead, but I'm gonna test it home first. I did buy a steamer too on Amazon, so we're gonna try our home remedy too, but we're definitely gonna book an appointment. I was supposed to book that appointment for, let's just say years, okay? Years. So yeah, so hopefully when I try these products, then all will be well. How long have I relaxed my hair? I can't remember, but yeah, this is why my hair needs to be done, because the relaxer is out of my hair and it's showing. All right, the hair is done for now. But this is, you see, this is why I love clip-ins. It's like so quick and easy. So quick and easy. I'm just gonna flat iron here. Just the top part here. This part is on flat ironing, so it does look a little flat. And then put a little oil. Alright, I'm gonna put on my clothes and then come back and finish up my hair. Yo, the one thing I don't like with this bathroom is there's no socket. So I'm gonna have to flat iron my hair outside in the bedroom or the living area. And then I'll come back in the bathroom. Let's get dressed. Yeah. Alright guys, so I am dressed. Y'all, I just went into my YouTube studio and it's 3 years. I was correct. So the first video I posted, the date is January 8th, 2021. So we're going 3 years on YouTube. And we're gonna make it. We are gonna grow our channel huge, huge, huge. We're gonna do that thing, okay? Us small YouTubers, specifically we Jamaicans, we're gonna do it. Alright, I'm gonna put in a little Kate earring that I had purchased. I don't know, I'm trying to get into this whole jewelry thing. So I purchased this Kate earring. I think it's a little bit too big for me to look at it. Yeah, I think it's a little too big for me. I don't really like big earrings, so yeah, I definitely need to go to the jewelry store and purchase. This is like if I'm like going out, like probably on a date or something, and I may just wear something to pop, but this was definitely not needed for tonight. It's just a chill out games thing I'm going tonight. You know what, I actually like when my hair is out. If it doesn't look too bad, I just add a little oil. Just add a little oil in my hair. Ensure that it doesn't look like crazy dry. I could wear it out. What do you guys think? I don't know. Catch it up in one. I said it looks good in one too, right? Yeah. I don't know, we'll see. We will see. Y'all know the routine, no makeup. And secondly, I need to purchase makeup. That's my next thing on my list. I need to purchase makeup. These makeup that I have, like, they're just not giving. Do you know I'm certified? Do you know I'm a certified makeup artist? Y'all didn't even know that's about me. I did that course a couple of years ago and never once have I ever used it. I'm a certified makeup artist and I'm also a waxologist. I'm certified in waxing as well. And what am I doing with those certificates? Nothing. I haven't been practicing. I haven't been doing shit. Nada. So maybe I need to start. Maybe I need to start practicing and getting into my bag, because you know we need multiple incomes to live in this world right now. Which jewelry should I wear? Silver, gold. Let me see. Silver, gold. I'm gonna stick with the silver. I'll be back. Since I'm already wearing gray, the gold would have definitely pop. I'm gonna stick with gold. Yeah. I'm gonna stick with gold. Oops. Yeah, the gold is popping. What do y'all think? I think it's popping versus the silver watch. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this. You're ready? We're gonna show you the full fit and then we're gonna head out of here. It's 8:40. All right, time to go. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear sneakers with this vibe. All right, let's head out. All right, babe, so we are heading out to show you guys the full fit in this mirror. Yeah, cute and cozy. Let's head out. All right, guys, so I'm here again. We reach and based on the location where it's at, it's where Popeyes is on Hollow Road. I'll just add the Instagram so you guys have an idea where it is. So let's head inside and see what the vibe is like. Let's go.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught it.
I'm so cozy.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race with China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smuggle bricks to China. I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out.
So guys, I gotta say that new spot is bossy. Like, I don't think I've ever been anywhere that is like so low-key and just have like a great vibe. It's definitely giving like a lounge vibe. I'm not sure, I mean, us Jamaicans are not used to like lounge vibe, but like it's definitely giving like a New York lounge vibe. It's just low